Good Monday morning. Hope everybody's having as good of a Monday as you possibly can, especially the morning after the Super Bowl. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you along, where I document my daily life hauling agricultural products around Nebraska and surrounding states. Today we are off to Kansas, down around Alta Vista, Allen area, hauling DDG cubes. Should be about probably 3.5 to 4 hour run down there. Place that I've never been before, so looking forward to seeing some different part of the area down there. But shouldn't be too bad of a day. It's supposed to be beautiful out. Actually, for beginning to middle of February, we're supposed to here at home. We're supposed to get up around. I think they said about 70 degrees today, so should be a beautiful day outside. Try to enjoy it while I can. It's supposed to cool off and maybe some rain or snow by the end of the week, but we'll see how that plays out. But again, glad to have you along and invite you to sit back. We'll try to take some shots of the trip down there, and once we get down there and start unloading, and we'll see how the day plays out. But again, glad to have you along. Okay, so I'll finish getting loaded. I got scaled out, got all my paperwork in order, got the tarp closed up, got everything strapped down, and we are rolling down the highway. Kind of nice to be going this time of day. It's not real busy out here yet, so we should be able to make some pretty good time. Do have to go through few small towns and do some hill climbing, but shouldn't hurt us too awful bad. The load's pulling pretty good for being as heavy as we are. But again, should be a great day today for a Monday, so looking forward to it. We'll get down, get to see this new place, and get the load offloaded. Hopefully it's not too awful windy down there. I'd like to be able to put the drone up in the air. I was going to do it over the weekend and just ran out of time, didn't get to do any flying like I wanted to. Saturday was kind of cold, or not cold really, but cool, but a lot of wind, and so I didn't think it was a good idea to fly it in. But Sunday just had too much other stuff going on and ran out of hours in the day. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I did have to go in Saturday. I got called. I needed to haul a load for our farm, so I took care of that. And when I got back, since I was already in at work, I decided to go ahead and get the truck washed. I had quite a bit of salt and road grime from the previous storms that we had blow through, so decided to take the old girl down and get a quick bath, get everything rinsed off. So ended up taking the majority of the afternoon to get that done. Everybody else was doing the same thing. The weather's just not been cooperative for getting trucks washed around here the last couple of weeks. But don't know if it'll be worth it or not. Got back, and looks like we might have some, like I said, rain or snow towards the end of the week. So we'll see how that plays out. But either way, we got the top layer of grime washed off the truck. Got it shined up a little bit, at least for the first half of the week. So I guess it was worth it to a certain degree. But we'll keep making our way down the highway and see if we can't get to this ranch down in east central Kansas. They used to always say if you don't like the weather in Nebraska, just wait an hour, it'll change. Boy, did it sure ever do that today. Now, technically, I am still in Kansas, but close to the Nebraska border. And the truck is showing 80 degrees right now. And I did confirm that a little while ago. I pulled up the weather app and it was showing 80 as well. Just unbelievable when you think that 2 weeks ago we were struggling to even get close to or above freezing. Not that I'm complaining about the weather, but it sure is a drastic change in just a couple of weeks. Uh, Did make for a nice day though. It is a bit windy, but again, compared to what we were experiencing a couple 3 weeks ago, I'll take this weather any day. Just hard to believe it's the 9th of February and we've got weather like this. Now again, it is supposed to cool down, I think starting tomorrow, not drastically, but won't stay like this for very long. We did get into the place. Had to do a little bit of maneuvering. Wasn't too bad. It wasn't so tight that I couldn't get turned around, but a little bit tighter than I would have liked. But we got in there, got everything unloaded. Pretty much filled the guy's bin up, so he'll have feed for a while. And was able to get back out. One of those days that I realized you can't always rely on Google Maps either. The way that it had me going in when I got to one of the turns, I happened to look down what they called a road, and it ended up just being a trail and ran along the tree line. Decided that wasn't the best way to go, so I ended up going around a little bit. And glad I did, because come to find out that's wasn't a through road to go down anyway, especially with a big truck loaded as heavy as I was. So, but we got in there, got wheeled around, got the feed unloaded, and got her pointed back home right now. So still got, I think about 2 hours roughly to get home, and it will get refueled, get everything prepped for tomorrow, and see where we're off to for tomorrow's adventure. But want to thank you for tagging along. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent. I don't mind the criticism. But like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know when the next time is I post some more content. I'm going to try to keep getting some different perspectives of the stuff that we're doing out here hauling these ag products. So again, thanks for tagging along, and we will see you on the next trip.